All right, YouTube, we're going to replace the cabin air filter on the 2009 RX, which is located behind the glove box. So I've already emptied the glove box enough to get the job done. Open the glove box, and you got these two little twisty things right here. I just use a little needle nose. You twist them, and then you pull it out. Same thing on the other side. Twist it until it lines up, and you pull it out. And then once they're cleared, the glove box shifts all the way down, and then you push here, and you push here, and you're able to pull the filter out. And yes, we had leaves come off in the fall and a lot of pollen in there. Time to definitely change this bad boy, which it just simply let's just dump the putting struts on today too. That'll be a separate video. Put it down here, and the filter simply comes out. And then you put the new one on with the same up orientation, and then put it back in the car. Just slide it back in. These two clips will clip back in. I'll show you all that. All right, we got the new filter here, the old one here. The airflow indicator up arrow. So we simply slide it back in under the tabs, under the tabs, under the tabs, under the tabs, both sides. All right, it's ready to go back in the car. All right, here we are back at the car. Slide it in until it clicks. Put the glove box back in place. Push these back in. Twist them to lock. Push this back in. Twist it to lock. Done. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.